check out today's video. So today's video is super exciting. It is sponsored by Sam's Beauty. So thank you so much, Sam's, for sending over this new hair. Now let's go ahead and jump right into this new video. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from your girl, Jess the Dragoness. And make sure you're sharing these videos. Guys, so I will show you a quick unboxing of the Senegalese twist that I did get from Sam's Beauty. So you saw the unboxing. Now let me go ahead and show you the wig that I made. I do make crochet wigs. If you're interested in me making one for you, you can head over to my website, GLEEmade.com. Click where it says shop, and you'll see all the crochet wigs that I do have to offer. If you decide to purchase one, they are handmade by me and they will ship out to you within 7 days. So this is the unit that I made. I used 3 different colors. On the inside is the burgundy color. Then the third layer, the color is the 99J, and then the top layer is the 1B. So I did make this one as a U-part unit. This one does have adjustable straps on the inside, but no combs. So I'll be using bobby pins to secure this one. If you guys like this head wrap, this is also available on my site, GLEEmade.com. I do make these as well by hand, along with skirts and other stuff. So definitely check out GLEEmade. It's a lot of good things over there that are handmade by me. So yeah, let me go ahead and take this off. I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on, and then I'm going to use bobby pins. Oh, this cap is super stretchy, you guys. I like it. Super stretchy. Love that. So I think I'm just gonna use bobby pins to go ahead and secure the wig right here. Now, this is a new cap that I've never used before. Normally, my caps do have combs, and it's a lot easier to install. So with this U part, you can choose if you want it to be a middle part or however you want it to look. Since I have a middle part in my braids, it's just easier to do it as a middle part. But obviously, if you wanted it as a side part, you could install it on the side. That's the beautiful thing about having these crochet wigs. You have a lot of options. And you can rewear your crochet braids over and over and over again because you can just take them off, you know. This looks beautiful. I'm loving these colors. I'm loving these twists. So you're just gonna take the twist and just crochet it right into your own hair. And since these twists are so small, you're gonna have to do like a lot. I used 6 packs of hair for this style. I used 3 packs of each color. And the black, obviously I didn't use the entire 2 packs. This is the last of the 2nd pack. So you need 6 packs of hair to complete this look, and then you also need a U-part braided wig cap. So I also wanted to point out that you saw the braid pattern on this side was going in a diagonal. And you see how nice it looks like crocheted on a diagonal. It doesn't even really look like crochets. It just looks really pretty. When you have a braid going straight back, it really gives that like traditional crochet braid look that I really hate. So if I have any suggestions at all with braid pattern, I would definitely say do the diagonal, because it just gives you a better look, I think personally, than that crochet straight in a line type of crochet braid look. Alright, so that's pretty much the end look. Let me go ahead and back the camera up and stand up so you can see. So these are super long. Sorry, this outfit is actually from a boutique. I'll link it down below. The boutique is super cute and it comes with a matching set, but obviously I'm not wearing the pants. It actually comes with a skirt. So these are super long. They're all the way to your butt. Beautiful colors. I love these colors together. It looks so nice. Let me turn around. So this hair is absolutely gorgeous. I'm really loving how the wig came out. Now, obviously, since this is a U part, you can't be doing, you know, no whole bunch of pulling it back and doing all this wild stuff. Like, you're gonna have to decide how you want to wear it before you put it on, and then, you know, place it where you want it to be. I knew I wanted it to be a middle part, so that's why I placed it this way. Maybe pulling it back like that. You probably could get away with that. But, you know, doing a whole lot of pulling it back and all of that, you might not be able to get away with that, sis. And that could be cute, and nobody would really be able to clock your wig like that. I love it. I love these. They're so lightweight and they're beautiful and super duper long. So if you guys are interested in these twists, I will leave a link to Sam's Beauty down below. If you're interested in me making you a crochet wig, I'll leave links for that down below as well. And if you're interested in this top, is actually a two-piece set from a boutique. It's an Instagram boutique. I will leave links to this set and to the boutique, and I'll also have, because I got 5 outfits from them, or 6, I'll also have a clothing haul coming really soon, so make sure you turn on your notifications so that you never miss a new upload from me. Love you guys so much. Thank you for watching.